So this evening I have a tutorial planned with the Morphe About Last Night in. I had this in two of my, I just put my finger right in one of the colors. See what I did? Darn nails. Anyways, this is the palette. This is the one I'm going to play with this evening. And we're going to jump right in and see where it takes us. I'll see you on the other end.
Okay, so we're going to jump into Provocateur with the Morphe E14, and we are going to apply this to our whole lid. Yes, I am shaking things up a little bit this tutorial. So yeah, from the lash line to brow bone. This is a very beautiful satin color too, by the way. I'm sure you could use this as a highlight color as well, but I chose to do it as an all over lid color. Next, I'm going to grab my M433 and I'm going to go into Showtime, and I am going to put this into my crease area. And then I'm going to do windshield wiper motions back and forth, and then do some twirlies to blend it out all over my transition area, but keeping most of the color to the outer edge of the crease, per usual. Now dip back in with the exact same brush into Make Out, and we are going to go into the crease one more time, but this time you're going to really concentrate the color on the outer part of the crease, and then you're going to take it all the way in to the inside of the eye, but you're going to do that after you've blended it so that it's a small amount dispersed in that area. Okay, now I'm going to grab my Morphe M433 and I'm going to go into DJ, and now I'm going to pack this color onto the outer V on the lower lid, and I'm going to concentrate it into the crease, and I'm also going to pull it over into the crease, but I'm going to do that after I have packed and blended so that it's just a little bit of the color towards the crease and the inside of the eye. Okay, now we're going to go into Top Shelf, and we're going to use our finger at first. And you can see here that I'm not impressed with the payoff. So I grab my Morphe G15 brush, which is a flat edged brush, and I start to put that on the lid. And once again, I felt like I wasn't getting enough payoff. So I got a little frustrated. And then I thought, okay, well, you know what? I'm going to grab my MAC Fix Plus. And then I started really getting the color that I wanted. Okay, now with the same brush, we're going to go into Bottle Service. And I'm going to put this on the inner part of the lid over to the middle, and make sure that you work this up to the crease area, because we're going to do like a faux cut crease without having to actually cut this. We're going to deepen up here and just a little bit above all of this to make it look like we actually did spend time cutting it, and I wanted to try that out and see what happened, and it wasn't too bad. Okay, now going into Skyline, I'm going to take the same brush again after I wiped it off. And now I'm going to go on the outer corner of the lid. I just felt like it needed a little more color. And what I had used before from the bottle service, I felt like it needed some kind of like, you know, pop or some kind of transition. I just wasn't feeling it. Like, and then when I've added this, I thought, oh yeah, okay, this is starting to turn out really pretty. And it also reminded me of like snake skin, which I don't even like snakes, but okay, now I'm going to grab my M433 again, and I'm going to put it into Private Room and really deepen up the outer V. And I'm going to pack, and then I'm going to blend, and then I'm going to pack, and then I'm going to blend. And the gradient in this blend down here, I think looks really good. I hope you guys do too. Now I'm taking my Morphe R42, another crease brush, and I'm going to pop this back into, was it Showtime? I think it was. Okay, and now I'm taking that color and I'm really concentrating that right above the crease. And then I took the brush from the beginning and I went back over the edges and into the crease a little.
Okay, so now I'm back. I have put my lashes on and I put some
Wet n Wild black kohl liner
right on the top of my lash line. And these are House of Lashes, iconic. So now let's do the under eyes.
Okay, we're going to go into Showtime and we're going to grab our Morphe E18 and we are going to put this onto our lower lash line, and we are going to blend and blow this out under there. Okay, now I'm going to go back into bottle service with the same brush, and we're going to put this on the inner bottom lash to mimic the top of the lid, just about a fourth of the way over from the inner corner. Now we're going to take the M432 and we're going to pop it into Private Room, and guess what? We're going to use this as an eyeliner. So typical, right? Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeliner and I'm going to put this on my waterline. And actually, I really, really like this eyeliner, and it's only $1. Now I'm going to take Maybelline's Big Eyes mascara and use the lower lash side of it for my lower eyelashes. Now, jumping into the Stunning Vibes palette, I'm taking Swipe Right, and I am putting this in my inner corner there for a highlight and on my brow bone. Okay, I'm trying out a new blush. This is the NYX Ombre blush in Soft Flush. You know what? I was pleasantly surprised. I really like this blush. It might be a dupe for my Mocha Pink. I don't know. I guess we're gonna see. Okay, now I'm taking my BECCA Opal Mini, and I'm taking my Morphe M501, and I am going to highlight my cheeks and my nose. And this gives the most beautiful glow. I am really a fan of this. I wish I would have just went ahead and bought the big one. Okay, now I'm taking NYX's lip liner in Soft Spoken, and I'm going to line my lips. And now I'm going to take NYX's Intense Butter Gloss in Tray Leges and top off that lip liner. Grab my Fix Plus and set this face and give it a shake, and we are done.
Okay, so this completes my finished look on About Last Night, the Morphe 9N. Again, for me, another win for a Morphe palette. This is beautiful. I didn't know where I was going to go with this. I really like the blend. And it looks like a cut crease without having to do a cut crease. So I think that's cool. And I tried a new blush out. And then I'm a fan of BECCA Opal. Love it. It gives you just a beautiful, yeah, it's really pretty. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please share it with your friends. Give me a like. Make sure. So okay, I guess I'll see you guys next time.